Well, hello, students. I hope you are enjoying your weekend so far. I really enjoyed getting through the first week of classes, as I'm sure you did. It's always hard to get started, but once you get going, everything is fantastic, as you know. Um, as I said to, in fact, I'm addressing this cam recording to both of my sections of 1511, Business Management 2. And the whole gist of everything is that for both my Monday, Wednesday, and Friday classes of Management 2, I'm essentially reviewing strategy because honestly, guys, all of management involves understanding the strategic plan. Without the strategic plan, you don't set your goals, you don't know what you're doing, you don't have a time value line on how long it's going to take to get through everything that you need to. As I had mentioned in class about stop gaps, they're really important to know where you should be in your organization every step of the way to make sure that your strategic plan, okay, is in the logical planning stages of getting within a reasonable time to complete all of your goals. If your strategy isn't in place, you will never know when you need to change it. If a company isn't adapting to its external environment, as we discussed in class, it's going to lose competitive edge and eventually go out of business. You have to be on point with your strategy. You have to understand where your internal customers, who are your employees, and your external customers are both on the same page. Everyone in the organization, whether you're sweeping the floor, you're running the company, they have to know what the strategic plan is all about. So, having said that, all of you so far in both my classes have a very good handle on what you need to do for a project. Now, remember, come Monday for my Monday and Wednesday class, I am going to have to know what your project is. I believe I know what it is for my Friday class because we had a 2.5 hour class. In both classes, okay, my hour and 15-minute sections on Monday and Wednesday, and my 2.5 hour sessions on Friday, I am going to be finishing up on strategy. All right. So for you guys that are working on your projects, I want you to start thinking about how to do an outline. And I'm going to put something in the modules for this week coming up, okay, for my Monday and Wednesday and Friday class about putting together a good outline. What are the essentials you need for that? We already discussed it. We already discussed that you have to have a vision, a mission. What are you trying to accomplish with your project? For example, if you're talking about like doing McDonald's or Apple, they already have a vision and a mission, so you don't have to rewrite it. What I'm interested in is what the strategy is for you based on their strategies to do a research project on why they are successful and what they are doing globally based on all the questions that need to be answered that have been posed on your syllabus, okay? So some of you are doing internal environment, some of you are doing external. What I suggested to my Friday class, and here again, my Monday and Wednesday class can pay attention to this. First, before you guys start anything, do a SWOT analysis on yourselves. Know if you want to do internal or external on assessing this organization, and B, if you are doing internal or external, whatever it is that you choose, do a SWOT analysis on yourselves and know where your strengths and weaknesses are so in your team you can complement each other. Then, related to the questions being asked on the syllabus of what you are trying to accomplish with this project, with both internal and external environments coming together. Now, the next thing we're going to do for my Monday and Wednesday class, I'm probably on Wednesday going to start working on chapter 11, which is really about organizational design. And that's really important. How are organizations put together? How do they develop their cultures? How does their hierarchy look? We're going to be talking about that stuff. And for you guys on Friday, we're going to be finishing up on strategy. And then we are going to start tackling chapter 11 as well. So that's what to do. Be prepared for that. On Monday, for my Monday and Wednesday class, I want to know what your projects are going to be. I also want both classes, make sure that your team commitment sheets are with me. I know the Friday classes already gave me their commitments with their projects. Make sure Monday and Wednesday classes, I want all of your information on your team commitment sheets if you haven't passed them in. And if you did, I want to know what your projects are going to be. And I will give you your commitment sheets back. You can just write your project on there. And then who's going to do what. So basically, that's it. I'm going to put stuff up on chapter 11 for you to view. You already have it on the first module block for 10. There are no assignments yet, but you're working on your project, which is going to be starting up in the first one's going to be due in February. Like, guys, this semester is going to go by like crazy fast. So let's keep on the ball, and I will see all of you on some of you on Monday and Wednesday, and some of you on Friday. So have a good week and good week. Bye.